Hey there, people. Well, we're going to sonyxploder's house there. We're gonna go to his sister's house and pick up a fridge and a stove. Yeah, let's go. Well, we're here at sonyxploder's house. Let's go see what he's saying. Give him some rumble. You heard me. What's going on, buddy?
I thought you were that guy across the street with his motorcycle because he always revs it high before taking off and shit.
Oh, watch the paint on the hot rod. Well, what am I supposed to say about this one? Okay, we got sonyxploder scrapping with me. Okay, well, I guess Mr. Sony's my good luck charm, eh? Look at us go with the fucking full load. Like, we didn't even pick up what we were supposed to from his sister's. We don't need his sister's shit. We'll get the sister's shit tomorrow. We're good. Okay, we're still with the Sony. We just come back from a beer at the Colson, which I'm banned from for life, supposedly.
That's what we said the last time, and then he still got in.
Yeah, well, we only had 2 beer till I got kicked out. But anyway, there's a dishwasher back there somewhere. Well, we're not done scrapping yet. We're trying to get done. Found some more scrap. Doesn't matter if we have room for it or not. There you go. Every little bit helps. So maybe you're gonna become my new scrapping buddy. You got luck.
No, that was totally legal. What are you talking about?
It is legal. Okay, my old man asked me to, in my scrapping trips, my old man asked me to pick up some chairs. So here's your chairs, Dad. Motherfucker. There you go. Sony's got the other one. There you go, big fella. Uh-oh. Careful. We got fucking something in the air. Noonish, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, buddy.
Yeah. See ya.
Pleasure.
It was fun.
Give me some love.
See ya, man.
1, 2, 3. When I heard her singing in that old church uptown, she stole my heart then, but I still feel it pound. There was something about her, seemed like I'd known her all along. The only way that I could tell her was to write it in a song. She must be an angel, sure appears that way to me. She must be an angel, when I see her I believe. Someone must have hurt her. Sometimes I could see it in her face. Everything that has happened to her has brought her to this place. Lately I've been searching for something I may never find. And when my path is at its darkest. She is there to lead the blind. She must be an angel sent to watch over me. She must be an angel. When I'm with her, I believe. She must be an angel. She must be an angel. She must be an angel. When you see her,